Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some duffins. Duffins are a cross between a donut and a muffin, and I'm going to pair these duffins with some homemade caramel sauce. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Let's start off with a homemade caramel sauce. In a pot over medium heat, add in 113 grams of butter and allow that to melt. Add in 1 cup of packed brown sugar and mix until well incorporated. Allow to boil for 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and add in 1/4 cup of cream and mix until well combined. Add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix to combine. Pour the mixture into a jar and allow it to cool down slightly. Then place into the fridge to chill completely. Next is the duffins. In a bowl, combine 290 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Mix to incorporate everything. In a bowl with 75 grams of butter, mix until light and soft. Add in 60 grams of caster sugar and 50 grams of light brown sugar. Mix everything until light and fluffy. Next, add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 egg. And mix to combine. Next, add in 3/4 cup of buttermilk and mix. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix. Don't overmix, just mix until the dough forms. Spoon about a teaspoon size into each mini cupcake case and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 9 to 11 minutes. Allow to cool. In a bowl with 3/4 cup of caster sugar, add in 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder and mix to combine. Add the cooled Duffins to 113 grams of melted butter. Then transfer the buttered Duffins into the cinnamon sugar mixture. Coat the Duffins in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Continue doing this for the rest of the Duffins. Pour some of the homemade caramel sauce over the Duffins. I warmed mine up slightly. Enjoy some Duffins with some homemade caramel sauce.